Alright, here we go again. Wanted to follow up from that last video. I cut the branch down, shook them in this box, put them in the left side of this top bar hive. Now they got in between the follower boards on me, so I opened up that center hole there just so the ones in there could get out and go home. But they went back to the bivouac, so I ended up grabbing the branch and just laying it on top for them. There's plenty of little holes up there for them to get through, and if there's not, they'll find their way down to the entrance. About 3, 4, 5 minutes worth of work, and we got happy bees. The more you know. Let's hope we can keep 2 different colonies in here, but worst case scenario, the virgins fight each other and one of the queen dies. But they'll join forces, doesn't really matter. The more you know.